Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
The Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Thursday, the 1st of February. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather a little wet at times this evening, nothing especially heavy. We turn much colder tomorrow and a pretty good soaking rain at times this weekend, especially late Saturday night and Sunday morning. So let's go in there and check things out. We'll talk about what's to come. This is the upper air pattern across the country, a trough beginning to dig over the eastern half of the country. That's going to pull down noticeably colder air tomorrow. In advance of the push of colder air, the sky mostly cloudy, although we have seen some sunshine at times today. We'll check the radar. That was at 2:36. Just a few sprinkles and patches of light rain across central Alabama, nothing widespread or heavy. And rain amounts this evening should be on the light side. Most everybody will likely see under a quarter of an inch. And boy, look at the temperatures today. Feels good. 60s on the board everywhere, except Muscle Shoals. They've got 59. Birmingham at 66. But tomorrow will be 20 degrees colder. Highs only in the middle 40s, so don't get used to this. You can see the colder air infecting St. Louis. They're sitting at 27 at 2 o'clock. Nashville down to 50. That cold front comes in here late tonight. And a core of the cold air is sitting up in Canada and the northern states. Thankfully, the brunt of this will stay north of us. We're just kind of catching the glancing blow tomorrow as highs drop in the 40s. We note there are winter weather advisories northeast of Alabama for tonight. Parts of northeast Tennessee, southeast Kentucky, the mountains of West Virginia with some snow coming down, but that will not affect us at all. This is the precipitation for the next 7 days, valid through Thursday morning of next week. And again, the numbers have been coming up, and we'll take that. You can see in Alabama, rain amounts could be in the 2-inch range. For the northern half of the state, from Birmingham north, rain amounts between 1 and 2 inches down to the south. And the new drought monitor released this morning shows drought conditions continuing to ramp up across the state, so we'll take whatever rain we can get. And the good news, the pattern looks pretty active for a while, with fairly frequent rain producers on the way. So, model fans, here we go. This is the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at noon. Troughing, rotating through the northeastern states. Now, let's check tonight. This is off the HER model. This is valid at 8 o'clock, and a band of showers coming through. Like we've talked about, the moisture quite limited. Rain amounts tonight should be under a quarter of an inch, and the bulk of the rain should be gone by 11 o'clock or midnight tonight. Now, this is tomorrow at noon. A colder air mass, noticeably colder. The GFS showing a high of 43, the NAM 45 for Birmingham tomorrow. The sky will be sunny, but keep in mind that's 20 degrees colder than today. That'll be a big difference. This is Saturday. We start the day down in the 20s. Both the NAM and the GFS are at 23 for Birmingham, but a nice warm-up. The high will be in the 50s. These cold air shots are not lasting long. Clouds will increase late in the day. And this is Saturday night at midnight. Rain moves in, and it sure looks like the main window for rain will be from about midnight Saturday night until noon Sunday. And it should be a pretty good soaking. Rain amounts could be in the 1-inch range for much of the state. And then Sunday at noon, the rain begins to move on to the east. No severe weather worries, probably not much thunder. So again, late Saturday night, Sunday morning, a good soaking. Otherwise, Sunday will be cloudy with a high in the 50s. This is Monday. Should be a dry day. We start the day around freezing. The high should be in the low 50s. And Tuesday, the day should be dry. And we could see low 60s on Tuesday, but notice the rain to the west. That next wave comes in here Tuesday night. And it's a little early to be specific here. We'll have to watch for the chance of strong storms. This run depicting a surface low near Tupelo, Mississippi, and there will be a little bit of instability involved. So we'll keep an eye on that, but a good chance of rain and storms Tuesday night of next week. And then Wednesday, the rain will end during the morning. And no Arctic air involved here. Highs will be in the 50s. And this is a week from today, Thursday the 8th, troughing on the East Coast. That looks seasonal. Lows in the 30s, highs in the 50s, and dry. This is the end of the forecast period. This is Sunday the 11th, and again, a trough over the eastern states. Another cold front coming through, suggesting a chance of rain. And after that, we turn colder. But these cold air pops are not lasting that long, and we're just kind of catching the edge of these cold air masses. And with each one of these waves, the chance of snow well to the north and east of Alabama. Speaking of snow, this is the snow output from the European Ensemble. 51 members, only 3 show a trace out there late in the period, out 10 days out. And again, that's only 3 out of 51 members. Bottom line is we don't see any issues with snow or ice around here anytime soon. Check the numbers. Again, you can see the cool down tomorrow. The European showing a high of only 40. And then we go back in the 50s over the weekend, maybe 60s by Tuesday. And again, after that, very seasonal through mid-February. Highs mostly in the 50s, lows mostly in the 30s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening, on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.